We were really looking for a machine that could support our growing focus on printing onto plywoods and other sustainable materials, and the Jingwei has really exceeded our expectations. Blue Gecko is a large format print company, and we service the retail, events and festival sectors. We were founded in 2009, and we pride ourselves on finding sustainable and eco-friendly solutions. We bought the Jingwei because we needed to upgrade an aging machine, and we needed a digital cutting table that could keep up with our increasing demand. When I went to the demo at CMY UK, I took some really difficult materials to work with. We built in some real-world print issues into the print and the files to see how well the Jingwei could cope with it. I was really surprised at how the Jingwei just dealt with all of the issues that I put in front of it, and it was almost like they weren't even there. One of the main things I like about the Jingwei is the power and the speed of the router, and this thing is just a pleasure to watch in action. Another thing we love about the Jingwei is the automatic tool changer. It's never something we thought we needed before, but now it's opened up a world of possibilities with our finishing and cutting capabilities. We even use the tool changer when we don't need to in jobs, just because we like to watch it happen. The belt changer was a big plus for us because it has improved our capabilities to run longer rolls with improved accuracy and faster turnarounds. Price-wise, it sounded too good to be true, but the build quality of the machine is great and it has really delivered on everything. The performance and reliability of the machine have allowed us to take on a lot more complex and multi-layered jobs using much more sustainable materials such as card. You get a lot included in the package with the Jingwei, and the V-cutting tool was one of the things that I've always wanted. In the middle of training, I actually took on a couple of jobs that would already need the V-cutting tool, so it's been great already. Investing in the Jingwei has really future-proofed our business and given us room to grow.